but I still believe through the pain, through the grief, through the lies, through the storms, through the cries, through the wars. Oh, I still believe. Still believe. Let on my back, out at sea, hoping his waves don't cover me. Till you tossed upon the waves. When the darkness comes, feel the grave, but I still believe through the cold, through the heat, through the rain, through the tears, through the crowds, through the cheers. I still believe. I still believe. I'll march this road, I'll climb this hill, up on my knees if I have to. I'll take my place upon this stage. I'll wait till the end of time for you like everybody else. Now my own, walking the streets, look at the face that I meet. Feel like I wanna go home. What do I feel? What do I know? But I still believe. Yes, I still believe. Through the shame, through the grief, through the heartache, through the tears, through the weight, through the years. For people like us, in places like this, we need all the hope we can get. No, I still believe. And I still believe. Oh, I still believe. I still believe.
Dear penis, I don't think I'd like you anymore. You used to watch me shave. Now all you do is stare at the floor. Oh, dear penis, I don't like you anymore. It used to be you and me, a paper towel and a dirty magazine. That's all we needed to get by. Now it seems things have changed, and I think that you're the one to blame. Dear penis, I don't like you anymore. He sings, Dear Rodney, I don't think I'd like you anymore. 'Cause when you get to drinking, you put me places I've never been before. Dear Rodney, I don't like you anymore. Why can't we just get a grip on our man-to-hand relationship? Come to terms with truly how we feel. If we put our heads together, we just stay home forever, dear penis. I think I like you after all. Oh, and Rodney, while you're shaving, shave my balls.